Hello and welcome to another edition of Tips and Tricks from Planet Technologies. My name is Christian Sorensen and I'm an Evolve 365 learning strategist. So today we're going to demystify Power Automate a little bit. If you're not familiar with Power Automate, it is a tool from Microsoft. It's part of Microsoft 365 and it puts the power to create workflow automations into the hands of those who are not necessarily expert coders. It is a low-code, no-code platform that experienced developers can use, or even entry-level people who are new to creating things like automations. So today, I'm going to show you how you can utilize the templates that are available in order to get started creating a workflow. And you'll see that it's maybe not as hard as you may think. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here we are on the Power Automate homepage here. We've accessed this via our Microsoft 365 account. You may need to use the app launcher from a different online app to find Power Automate. But once you are here in Power Automate, you can head right on down to templates. Now, a few things that are great about the templates is not only do you have many to choose from, you can narrow them down by their category. Perhaps a data collection workflow, something related to email or your calendar. You can scroll down and browse through all these different options. Now, what I like about this is when you actually go click on a template, before you settle on using it, it'll not only give you a brief description of what it does here in the title, but it'll tell you down here what it's going to do. In this case, when a new message is added to a Microsoft Teams channel, it will create a task in Planner. We can see which apps it's going to connect to, both Planner and Microsoft Teams. Now, if we decide to use this template, I can say continue. I'll go right in here and I can see it has set my connectors. We have our trigger here that kicks off the workflow, and then an action, another step in the workflow. We could add to this if we want, so we can use this as a foundation to build a more elaborate workflow if we want, or we can just add the information we need to in here and get this workflow working for us. Hopefully now you see that using Power Automate can be easy using templates. I want to thank you for watching this edition of Tips and Tricks. If you like this, please follow, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Once again, my name is Christian Sorensen with Planet Technologies, and we hope to see you again soon. Take care.